If you got out of your breakup a while ago and you're just kind of starting to feel hopeless because you don't feel better, maybe you even feel worse, maybe this person has moved on, maybe you're feeling heartbroken still, maybe you're feeling like your confidence is bashed, maybe you just don't feel that spark at all for your life, maybe you feel unmotivated. Does any of that sound like you? Well, there is a path to healing for your heartbreak, and unfortunately, most people, we never learn how to do it, and so we do the best we can with the tools that we have. Well, here's my story. A few years ago, I was going through a breakup and I felt absolutely like crap, okay? But at the time, I had just become certified in EFT tapping, which is a funny looking mind body technique. I was posting in a group of women. I said, "Hey, anybody going through a breakup? I'm not even sure that this is going to work, but I've got a good tool called EFT tapping and I'd love to try it out." So, we met every single week, and that sense of, sisterhood and community and support and being able to, not just text my friends every day, because honestly, you can't just do that to your friends. Your friends are wonderful and supportive, but it's not fair to just, dump all of your breakup feelings onto them. And I had these people with me through the whole journey. And the important thing to notice is that for the beginning part, EFT tapping works to be able to kind of calm and ground me during that time. Also, for when you just can't eat, you can't sleep, you're distracted and you're concentrated and you're ruminating and your mind is just like spinning and spinning and spinning and obsessing and whatever. That is a really good thing that EFT tapping can be useful for at the beginning. The second phase is rebuilding your confidence. Maybe you feel rejected, maybe you feel abandoned, maybe it triggered some really, really bad wounds from your childhood where your parents made you feel a certain way. Too much, not enough, whatever it was. Maybe you had been, suppressing your needs, your emotional needs in the relationship, only to realize later that you feel resentful about it. And then now you're starting to get all angry and you don't even know what to do with these feelings anymore, but because you don't feel confident. Anyway, as you can hear, it's definitely a lot. And then, of course, there's the moving forward part. Maybe you're like, okay, what now? What do I do? How do I rebuild my life without this person? Because when you don't have somebody anymore, there's all these activities that you used to do. There's, this person was your activity partner, this person was your best friend, and suddenly you don't have that, and it can feel really empty, really lonely very fast. So that is step 3 of the healing process that I offer my clients. So if any of that sounds like it resonates, join my free workshop. It's next week. It's June 9th, 10th, and 11th, and this is going to be a chance for you to be able to start healing, start understanding what's happening and how my program can help you heal. So check the link in the comments. Okay, bye.